everyone, I am Serena Panta and today I'll show you how to translate videos using Reduct. Start by choosing the language of your video. English is by default, but you can choose over 90 languages. Now upload your video to Reduct. You could also import it directly from the web by copy-pasting its link. This is what your transcript will look like. Reduct's transcripts are up to 96% accurate and completely editable as well. Okay, so in order to translate a video, click on Translation, then New Translation, then select the language that you want to translate into. I'll go with Spanish. Now wait while your translation is in progress. Once ready, you can view the original transcript and the translation side by side, which by the way are auto-synced with your video. You can also make corrections here if needed. Once you're happy with the translation, download the video with burn-in subtitle by clicking this button over here. You can even download the translation as SRT or text file. And that's it. With Reduct, you can translate videos fast and in large amount. So make sure to give it a go. Thank you so much for watching.